Hey everyone! Welcome to our HTML5 course. In this video, we'll be diving into the basics of HTML5, what it is, why it's so important, and how it powers every website you visit. Ready to explore the building blocks of the web? Let's get started.
So, what is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, and it's the language used to structure content on the web. Whether it's text, images, or videos, every element you see on a website is written in HTML. HTML5 is the latest version, bringing new features that make building websites easier and more powerful than ever. It's like a blueprint that tells browsers how to display content. Think of HTML as the skeleton of a web page. Now, why is HTML so important? Well, without HTML, browsers wouldn't know how to display any of the content we see online. HTML5 introduces new ways to structure your pages, embed videos, and make websites easier to access. For example, HTML5 adds new elements like article, section, and header that help structure your content better. It's the foundation of the web, so if you want to create a web page, HTML5 is the first thing you need to learn. Let's take a quick look at how an HTML5 document is structured. Every HTML page starts with a doctype HTML declaration, which tells the browser that this is an HTML5 document. Then, we have the HTML tag, which wraps the entire page. Inside, the head section holds important information like the page title and character set, while the body tag contains the content users see, like text, images, and links. Together, these tags form the foundation of every web page. HTML5 is made up of many different elements, and each one has a specific job. For example, the H1 tag creates a big, bold heading, while the P tag creates a paragraph. Elements like these make up the structure of every website. As we move through this course, we'll learn more about each type of element, but for now, just remember that HTML5 is a collection of tags that help organize and display content on the web. Let's create our very first HTML5 web page. Start by opening your text editor and follow along as we write some simple code. This page will have a heading and a paragraph, and we'll see how easy it is to create content that browsers can understand. Once we're done, we'll open it in a browser to see the magic happen. And there you have it. In this video, we learned what HTML5 is, why it's important, and how it forms the foundation of every website. We also created our very first web page. Keep practicing what you've learned today, because HTML5 is the first step to becoming a web developer. In the next video, we'll dive deeper into HTML5 elements and learn how to create more complex web pages. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with new lessons.